Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, pre-translate from terminology. I'm showing a table I need to translate. The different items in the tables are terms found in my term base. If you'd like to pre-translate those items from your term base to ensure consistency, you can do so using fragment assembly. From the Preparation tab, click the Pre-Translate button. In the Pre-Translate and Statistics window, uncheck all TMs and LiveDocs corpora. Ensure you are not using any machine translation. Check Perform Fragment Assembling, then click Fragment Assembly Settings. In the Fragment Assembly Options window, check the Terms box and make sure to uncheck all other boxes from the Matches to include section. In the Suggest Only section, select the Full Matches Covered by One Single Hit option. This means the matching term in the term base must cover the entire source segment, as in our example. Finally, check or not the Do Not Change the Case of Terms box according to your preference. If it's checked, memoQ will match the case of the term in your term base. If it's unchecked, memoQ will match the case of every word in the source segment. Let's launch the pre-translation from the term base. As you can notice, the table has been pre-translated with my term base and the cases matches the case of the words in the source segment. Thanks for watching.